Hey, welcome to T-Bad's Trucks and Stuff. Check out what I just got. Good score out here in Ontario. I'm used to all our trucks and our boxes here getting rotted away by the salt all over the road. And I just found me a box from Texas. So I'll bring you around. I'll show you the condition of this baby. I'll show you some of the rotted ones and the ones loaded with Bondo, which what I'm used to having to find and deal with around here. And yeah, we'll check her out. Pretty cool find. Look at the sides on this baby. There's only very minor damage in a couple spots. Look at this wheel lip. I've never seen a wheel lip like that in my whole life. Usually where the sand is stuck on there is a big hole, is what I'm used to seeing. And the cross members under there, everything mint shape. The inside here, she's been used. She's got a bunch of scratches, but that's not really any of worry to me since we're going to be giving it a paint job. Right up here along the front edge is some of the only damage on this box. I'd assume that was probably from it standing up on a truck on its journey shipping back here. Looks like the taillights got broke on the journey. But look at under here. Under here, usually this pocket right here will get full of grass and gravel, and then all the salt gets in there. Next thing you know, whole section of your truck gone. This is like little bit of surface rust on the bolt, little surface rust on that little bracket and on there, and this one odd colored patch here. The truck was sitting out in a farmer's laneway upside down on a wagon, this truck box. We can see underneath the top diamond plate guard there. That's nice. I've always wanted some of those. There's moss growing out of there. It's been there for a long time, but survived very, very well. And what damage might we have on this side? There's a little bit of a dent up here. I seen a reflection showing it. But overall, it's like, I don't come across things this nice usually. Very, very rare. That's a super nice box. I googled that phone number on the side there. It comes up as a storage company in Houston, Texas. So we know it's from Texas. The trim down the side there tells us she was from an XLT model. The little pinstripe down there that's actually painted on there. Someone would have had to pay to get that done. That's a little extra, and they did a very nice job on that. I haven't opened these gas doors up yet, so let's see what's inside here. Oh, well, it's a good thing it's winter because it's has a wasp nest, and look at that. diesel fuel only. That means this was from a diesel truck, a 250 or a 350. Wow, look at the condition of the bolts. Everything really nice and clean in there. The cap still in, it's stuck on there, but let's get, why can't we get that off? Ugh. I don't know, but it's there. I wonder how much of a filler neck there is. Oh, there's the whole filler neck. Can you see it in there? I don't know if you know, but a diesel filler neck is worth like $200+. What's in this one? Oh, look at, we have another wasp nest. Why one like this and then mud ones here? What's the difference there? What kind of bugs make that one? But we got the filler neck again. Look at it though. Oh, they cut off the end of the tube on the inside of that. That might not be good. You need that for venting properly. But still, we'll see what we can do with those. Well, I got the filler caps to come off. This one, rusty old hole. And this one over here had a surprise in it. This one, look at this. It's all full of poop. There must have been a mouse in there. At least they unplugged the wiring harness for the taillights, so that'll be reusable. This we'll probably get rid of because you can tell, look at it, that's no good. Who would want that? We got a little bit more of the yellowing in the primer here. Some of the spots on the bottom there were covered in shingles and some plywood, so that's why it's all in good shape like that. We got the rubber seal there, it's got a little bit part ripped off it. That one's all good. Your hinges, those rot away on us here in Ontario. I'm gonna have to remove these body moldings because I don't have any XLT trucks with body moldings like that. But wow, what a nice truck box. Look right there. Is that the sign of this having a second paint job on it? Because I think it has, because I can see the red primer just doesn't seem normal to me. But wow, am I ever happy with that box. Now come over here, come look at what Ontario truck boxes look like. I got a short box right this way. Can we see? See, your bottom quarters are gone. Your wheel lip will be gone. And your front quarter will be gone. This rusting problem, it's bad around here. And then the top of the tubs, look at it, rusting right on through there. Now come on down this way. We got a couple more boxes. This one was actually from Alberta. I think the front quarter portion's all right, but the wheel lip gone, and that one is busting through there. They don't use quite as bad as salt on the road, but they use a lot of gravel and it gets caught in the pockets like that. And this one is from Ontario, and you can see it all bubbling up and breaking off. That's because that fender's made out of Bondo. All Bondo. And this side over here, That's the Bondo just blowing on out on her. Look at it, there's a bit. You can see the thickness of the Bondo. Like the whole side is made out of Bondo. And that's what people end up doing when they do a bad body job on these rotting away trucks. I don't want a lot of Bondo on there. This is the 88 F-150 that box will be going on. We're working on the cab inside the garage. It's almost complete. So perfect time to find a box like this. We got a couple months of the cold weather still before I'll be able to paint it. But this saves me so much work trying to repair one of them rusty old Ontario truck boxes. This is a beauty, this one. Very, very happy with that. And that 88 F-150 over there, when she's together, it's gonna be even happier having a full body on it and being rust free again. So this stuff here, that's just one big crazy spider web on there. Yuck. But the rail up top, all very nice. It's got these part numbers written on it. It's got that one, this one. I think that's all, just those two. But it's got those two part numbers. It was either in a junkyard or it's from whoever shipped it here from Texas. And there's a few places around that do that kind of stuff. These come back on behind like a 1-ton truck or something with a long gooseneck trailer, and they stand them all vertically and pack the insides with doors and fenders, and come home with a load with probably 10 trucks worth of body parts. Really helps us guys out here in Ontario, so thanks a lot to them guys bringing them truck parts back for us. But yeah, Texas truck box. Very happy with that. Well, that'll do it for my Texas truck box find there. I'm gonna take this baby to town, give it a good washing, and then tuck it away in the corner till springtime. I'm going to be in the garage working on my 88 F-150 cab, doing the patches and preparing all of that for paint. So check back in to check that out. Have a good one.